Welcome to Elephant Mind, your place for learning about cool new tech and AI. Today, we're talking about RunwayML.ai, an image generation tool that helps you create and change images using artificial intelligence. Whether you're an artist wanting to try new things or just curious about this exciting technology, you're in the right place. Stay with us to see what RunwayML.ai can do and how you can use it. Let's get started. RunwayML.ai Image Generation Tool. RunwayML is an innovative platform for AI-powered image generation. A versatile AI image generator known for real-time collaboration features and a wide array of tools for both beginners and professionals. Popularity favored by creative teams for seamless collaboration on various projects like image generation, video editing, and interactive installations. Cloud-based infrastructure ensures all team members have access to the latest project version without constant file sharing. Accessibility, accessible directly through a web browser, eliminating the need for complex software installations. Key features. RunwayML offers a range of features that set it apart from other AI image generation tools. Let's explore a few highlights. First, it provides an easy-to-use, no-code interface, making it accessible for users without a programming background. Second, RunwayML supports various AI models, including StyleGAN, BigGAN, and more, giving you the flexibility to choose the best model for your project. Additionally, it includes real-time collaboration tools, allowing multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. RunwayML also integrates seamlessly with popular creative software like Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro. Output quality. When it comes to output quality, RunwayML excels. The platform leverages advanced AI models to generate high-resolution, realistic images. Here's a look at some images created using RunwayML's various models. Notice the detail and creativity in each output. Users can adjust parameters such as style, texture, and color to achieve their desired results. Pros and cons. Like any tool, RunwayML has its pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Pros. User-friendly interface. Wide range of AI models. High-quality output. Real-time collaboration. Integration with creative software. Cons. Requires a stable internet connection for optimal performance. Some advanced features may have a learning curve. Subscription-based pricing model can be costly for some users. Despite a few drawbacks, RunwayML remains a powerful tool for anyone interested in AI-driven image creation. Thank you for exploring with Elephant Mind.